Hi, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to congratulate Michael and Shravan and the whole TaiyangNews team for arranging such a wonderful solar technology conference. We being India's largest solar component manufacturer has been a pleasure attending this event last 2 years, and this year we happen to be the diamond sponsor as well. This is an event I would recommend to each and every solar industry, renewable industry, a person, because here you can definitely find what is the latest happenings, developments, as well as the technical know-how. So, very highly recommend this to each and everyone. I once again congratulate you. Keep doing your good work, and we definitely assure you of associating for you with you for a long term. Thank you so much.